thunder, I make the spark. A workbench sermon, leaving my mark. Restoring history, one bolt at a time. Harry Mann Garage, one bolt at a time.
Roadside Reality is where the whole concept of brotherhood actually comes from. When you're broken down on the shoulder, transmission fluid pooling in the gravel, highway traffic hauling past at 70 miles an hour, and daylight's running out, that's when you realize abstract philosophies about peace and love isn't going to fix your bike. Real brotherhood out on the asphalt isn't about your brand of motorcycle. It's not that you have matching patches or if you are trading catchphrases. It's all about who actually pulls over, unstraps their tool roll from the sissy bar, and gets their knuckles greasy in the dirt right beside you without being asked. It's the shared understanding that any one of us could be stranded next. So you share your last chain link, you lend a hand getting that functional spare part on. You fix that flat tire just to make sure every soul makes it to the next town. I think there is something noble about real brotherhood, raising brothers up, getting every soul to their next stop, because at the end of the day, that's all any of us are doing out here. We are riding hard, burning fuel, and trying to navigate a stretch of highway that's a whole lot rougher than we'd like to admit. Living life is a lot like traveling those highways. Living life can be a whole lot rougher than we'd like to admit. That's why we need brotherhood. I'm not talking about biker slang when I say brotherhood. I'm talking about making sure we really care that everyone makes it out of the darkness and will make it to their destination. I'm thinking about Jesus. He was out in the dirt with the broken down and the stranded. He was the one who pulled over when everyone else crossed to the other side of the road. Jesus metaphorically rolled up his sleeves and got his hands dirty, fixing what was busted inside us. Getting every soul to the next town isn't about running solo or judging the other guy's ride. It's about recognizing that we're all traveling the same stretch of dark asphalt, and none of us are making it to the final destination, to heaven, on our own power. You share your last drop, you pick up a brother when his bike or his life goes down, and you walk him home. Because when the sun goes down and the final wrench is put away, the only thing that matters is that we all rolled in together. John 3:16. For God so loved the world that he gave his one and only Son, that whoever believes in him shall not perish but have eternal life.